Hello there. Welcome to CS 122, which is Intermediate Programming in C++. This course is a late start course, and it's going to begin on the 19th of February and go through May 14th. There will be a weekly meeting from Saturday from 9 a.m. to 10:40 a.m., which will basically be lab time and question and answer time. My lectures will be video recorded, and you will be welcome to review them at your own date. Let's see. So a little bit about me. First of all, you can call me Larry. The easiest way to get a hold of me is always email. If you'd like to schedule a phone or online appointment, please email me to get that started. So, what is this course about? It's using an object-oriented approach to introduce the design and implementation of larger scale problems than in 121. It introduces some basic data structures, arrays, files, sets, pointers, lists, stacks, queues, trees, and graphs. So the reality is, probably not graphs. It introduces a program verification and complexity, and it builds on previous knowledge. You need to make sure you have 121 under your belt. If you don't, it is going to be a very, very uncomfortable course for you. The expected readings are the book C++ How to Program by Dietl and Dietl, the 10th edition. If you took 121 in the recent past, it is the same book. And the class is going to be used Blackboard, but for development, we're going to use the REPL.IT environment. I have a separate video that will explain the basics of that, but essentially it's an online compilation and submission tool. So basically, you write your programs there and you submit them. I get them, I can comment them, reply like there, and let you resubmit. So, how do you get graded in this class? There's going to be 3 exams. Those will be held on Saturday during the class meetings. The rest, programming projects. I am a much bigger believer in programming than I am in tests. I don't really need to know how much you can regurgitate information. So the emphasis of this course is on programming, and you'll be doing a fair amount of it. So, to break down the syllabus, my online meeting, a regular meeting for office hours, is Tuesday from 5:30 on, but it's by appointment only. I didn't used to do it by appointment, but nobody ever showed up, so I got sick of waiting around. So if you need to meet with me for any type of office hours, please contact me, and we can set something up and get you whatever help you. If you need any special accommodations that I'm not aware of, please contact me, and I'm happy to help you. So, what's going to be in this class? First, we're going to want to do a very quick review of classes, vectors, and files. After that, we're going to move into pointers, arrays, and classic C strings. And from there, we'll move into dynamic memory management, using dynamic memory with classes, stream, operator overloading, inheritance and polymorphism, templates and lambdas, some more operator overloading. We'll talk about iterators, introduction to data structures, an introduction to the standard template library, and a couple more data structures. And then we will move on to some talk about exception handling. I do reserve the right to change the syllabus. The order may change a little bit as well, based on how well I see your understanding or how well it fits what we're doing. So, that's the basics of the class. In terms of attendance to our Saturday sessions, I'm not one to be the type to require attendance. If you want to get the most out of the course, I would say you should probably be there. If you don't, well, honestly, it's your course experience, not mine, and what you get out of it will be exactly proportional to what you put into it. And so I therefore leave that up to you. Similarly, with cheating, this is your education. Don't mess it up by missing material you need to learn. If you cheat and I catch you, I will fail you and report you. That will be bad. But I'm not going to be one of these professors to help you, make you, turn on a video camera while taking a quiz or anything like that. I hold you on your own recognizance and expect you to act like adults. And if you don't, well, the consequences will be apparent over time. So that's my spiel there. Otherwise, I'm looking forward to helping you and working with you all, and I will see you in class.